Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Chevy Equinox, then you're going to need trailer wiring. It is required by the law. Now let's take a look at this very easy install. You will need the following tools and supplies to complete this installation. To begin this installation, we're going to go ahead and remove 4 T15 Torx bits from below the fascia so we can remove the door and see the wire harness and gain access to it from underneath. We are able to reach 2 hands in behind the bumper fascia to access the electrical connector. Pull back the red locking tab and depress the tab on the cap to remove it. Now plug the adapter on your trailer wiring harness into the vehicle wire harness. Depress the red locking security tab. You can now secure the relays on the wire harness to the existing wire harness behind the fascia. Make sure your 4-flat connector stays accessible. You can now reinstall the fascia door and replace the 4 screws. Pull your wire harness from out of the fascia. We are now ready to install a bracket for our 4-flat wiring harness. If you do not have one of these, you can pick one up at your nearest local U-Haul hitch center, or you can purchase one from the link in the description below. Using the bracket as a template, you can drill out 2 holes using a 3/16 drill bit. The bracket will come with 2 different forms of hardware to secure the bracket. We, however, will use a rivet when placing it on the fascia. Place the strap of the dust cover over the 4-flat connector. Now pass the connector through the bracket. Wiggle up and down until it seats itself into position. Now cover with the dust cover. That concludes trailer wiring on your Chevy Equinox. Please remember to practice safe trailering, and I can't wait to see you out there. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.